everyone. I would like to present about my assignment entitled Value Management. Introduction. Value management is one of the necessary process for evaluating an item or material that will perform better in a certain process, event, or on a daily basis, among other things. Value management is appropriate for the early phase of a construction project's life cycle, defining the position of value between the range of time in the project rather than quality and cost. A well-planned work schedule may access the best methods for completing the projects on time and on budget. Value management may be used to solve in the construction industry by directing and developing a component that signals innovation or progress. The purpose of value management study. Value management and value engineering are techniques concerned with defining, maximizing, and achieving value of money. Value management is important throughout the entire process from conceptual design stage up to completion of construction project. This can reduce the unnecessary cost of the project, which is not similar to the traditional cost cutting tool such as omission of an element in the contract. This can provide the better value for money to clients' investment and to align clients' project objective with the project outcome. Benefits of value management will be maximizing when it is applied in the early concept stage of development where the potential savings can be greater and the cost of a change at minimum. Benefits of value management. Value management studies identify and remove unnecessary costs in the original design of the project with alternative design solution while maintaining performance of quality. Value management provides better value, quality, and functional building. It provides a means for optimizing the balance between differing stockholders' needs. Value management provides a clear focus on the project objective. Value management works towards arriving at the effective design. It encourages creativity and innovation. Decisions are made with greater confidence because it can be supported by data and defined performance criteria. Value management seeks to obtain maximum efficiency ratios. Overspecification is addressed and an improved building program can be developed, leading to time being saved and ultimately saving in cost. Value management study can improve communication and common knowledge. This is the case study that I work on. Segi University hired Perfect Way Construction Center to construct the Vaccine Administrative Center in Kota Damansara, Selangor. The project comprises a new medical teaching hospital with 300 beds, outpatient facilities, and a COVID-19 related medical and health outlet. The goal of value management in this project is to strike a balance between the cost and quality in order to build a long-lasting element that adds more value in terms of function with lowering the project's original costs and generating profits. Okay, these are the proposal for the 300 beds, and this will be the priority setting matrix. And this is the weight scoring matrix. From priority setting matrix and weight scoring matrix in figure 1 and 2 shows that the hospital normal bed is more suitable than a massage design bed, as the normal bed is convenient for patient or nurses to simplify control the position instead of massage design bed, even though the normal is easy to purchase in lot of stocks than massage design bed. The next thing is proposal for outpatient and COVID-19 medical paramedical facilities outlet. So in this, I choose the type of ceiling that can be determined: metal ceiling or wood ceiling panels. Okay, this is the priority setting matrix, and this is the weight scoring matrix. From priority setting matrix and weight scoring matrix shows that the metal ceiling for hospital is more efficiency than wood ceiling panel. This is because metal ceiling takes much less time to install since they are lighter and available in several patterns as well as interlock models and have a long lasting life, whereas the wood ceiling panels are sustainable for termite attacks and wrapping. Outcome of value management workshop. Value management proposal. Value management studies can be performed at any stage in the development of projects. As our management study is being carried out at the conceptual design stage, it is expected that our client will gain the highest possible potential savings. Propose several approaches which can be benefit our client in terms of maximizing value of the project. Increase usable space. The original design has not utilized the space well for its original purpose. The common areas referred are the event hall located at every block. Decrease a common area and convert into a usable area, or in this case to increase the number of rooms. Propose changes in the design showing additional wall divisions to create the rooms can be referred in the report as well. Maximize energy efficiency. The large amount of energy supply required can potentially increase operating expenses and the life cycle costs. Life cycle costs can be reduced by a lower energy consumption, which will then reduce operating costs of the building. Cost reduction approach. Using the cost reduction approach, value can be increased by reducing the cost by maintaining its function. Cost reduction approach can be applied into this project by substituting unnecessary specification, can be altered without developing while cutting into initial costs as well. Value management tool and techniques. Value management utilizes analytical tools which assist clients and the design team to articulate and prioritize their ideas. Tools which are specific to management, and there are some generic tools which companies and individuals use. Function analysis system technique, fast diagram, priority setting metrics, and weight setting metrics. Function analysis is a method for analyzing the function of the constituent parts of the project. Some function can be eliminated and other functions combined. It also provides a very powerful tool to identify intended outcomes. Proposal for selection of architectural finishes in order to complete functional analysis. Weight scoring matrix. This matrix is used to consider each of the solution or proposal, evaluate them against the predetermined set of criteria which have been ranked in order of importance. The importance of the criteria will be determined by the client and user or customers. The rating is represented as following: 1 equals to poor, 2 equals to fair, 3 equals to good, 4 equals to very good, and 5 equals to excellent. Action plan. An action plan is the steps and sequence needed to take or perform for the strategy to succeed or to achieve the particular goals over a given period. What action or changes will occur? Who will carry out these changes? By when they will take place? What sources are needed to carry out these changes? Communication. Action plans first involves the identifying of objective and setting it as achievable and measurable. Developing action plans brings the following benefits: lend credibility to organization that shows member of the community that the organization is well ordered and dedicated to getting things done. To avoid the overlooking of details, to understand the capabilities of the organization, better efficiency for time, energy, and resources saving in the long run, better accountability that people will do what needs to be done. The action plan of this project comprises of the following: alteration of element or space, recommendation of alteration, identify of personnel to undertake the task, indication of the time frame. The benefit of value management. Value management creates a clearer focus on the project objective. Value management works towards arriving at a more effective design, identification of alternative methods of construction, and favorable adjustment to the construction timeline, discovery and discussion of project issue, constraint and risk involved, clearer project brief and discussion making, identify and remove unnecessary costs associated with the project. Value management deals with life cycle costs also, not only initial project costs, and provides an authoritative review of the project in its totality and not just a few elements. Future profitability can also be assessed in the life cycle costs are known. Decisions are made with greater confidence because it can be supported by data and define performance criteria. All option alternative in innovative ideas are considered. Our specification is addressed and an improved building program can be developed leading to time being saved and ultimately saving in cost. Value management will affect every stockholder of the project. Challenges in implementing value management. First of all is change of working culture. This value management promotes innovation and changes. This is crucial for survival in this modern world but changes the working culture in organization. Second is management support. Value management is unlikely to succeed and prove its significant contribution without the support from top level management. A lot of efforts have to be made to persuade and convince the management to accept and perhaps become actively involved in the study itself. Third one, attitudes of the designing team. During the value management conducted in the early 90s, the designers were especially reluctant to get involved. They were skeptical about the benefit of applying value management to their designs, thinking that it was just another cost cutting exercise and mercilessly finding faults to their design. Last but not least, conclusion and recommendation. Value management is used to compare and audit all of the client's discussions so that additional functionality may be developed from idea to completion. Clients are increasingly demanding the value management be used toward important construction stages. Value management is implemented effectively and any sort of waste from the project is minimized. And thank you. That's all from me.